Mastering the art of defining technical terms in English. Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, we'll delve into the art of defining technical terms. Understanding how to define technical terms is a crucial skill in academic and professional contexts. Let's unpack the different strategies you can use to define technical terms clearly and concisely. Technical terms, often called jargon, are words or phrases that have a specific, often complex, meaning within a particular field of study or profession. They're typically used by specialists in a certain domain, which can make them difficult to understand for those who are not familiar with that field. A few examples of technical terms are photosynthesis in biology, cognitive dissonance in psychology, or amortization in finance. There are several ways to define technical terms, and we'll be exploring three main techniques today. 1. Defining by synonym. This involves finding a word or phrase that has the same meaning as the technical term. For example, the technical term cognitive dissonance could be defined as mental discomfort. 2. Defining by description or explanation. This method involves explaining what the term means in simpler terms. For instance, photosynthesis is a process used by plants to convert light energy, usually from the sun, into chemical energy that can be used to fuel the organism's activities. 3. Defining by example. This method uses examples to clarify what a term means. For example, you could explain amortization by saying, if you have a 30-year mortgage, your loan is amortized, or spread out, over 30 years. To use these techniques effectively, try to keep your definitions concise and clear. Avoid using other technical terms in your definitions if possible, as this can further confuse your audience. When defining by synonym, make sure the synonym you use is commonly understood. When defining by description or explanation, aim to make your definition as simple and straightforward as possible. And when defining by example, ensure your example is relevant and easy to understand. And that's it for today's video on defining technical terms. Remember, practice is key when learning to define technical terms. So, don't hesitate to put these techniques to use the next time you come across a new technical term in your academic or professional life. We hope this video was helpful. Until next time, happy learning!